Good morning and welcome back to the channel. We're in the caravan again this morning. We're going to address a couple of little jobs with the bed. While we were away on our first trip, we noticed that a couple of the slats fell out. I'll explain about that in a moment. And the other little one had a bit of a creak when you rolled over in the night. It sounded like you was on an old timber ship. As regards the creak, one of the subscribers left a comment on the video saying to check the screws. It worked for him, so we'll have a look at that and see how we get on. Okay, so we're going to look at the creaky bed first. Like I said, I had a tip to just go around and check the Allen keys. I've been around with a 4mm Allen key and done these ones. This one here and the one corresponding one on the other side. They were both loose. I've done the ones in the main frame underneath. They were quite tight actually. So hopefully when we get the bed back together again, we'll give it a roll round and see if we got the creak or lost it. Okay, next job. Why did the bed slat fall out? Well, these ones down here are quite tight. They won't move. They're a good fit. But the further you come round this corner, the worse the fit. Till the point that you get round here, where if this thing gets twisted, out comes the slat. Slip that back in there. Bit of a poor design, really. I could pack something in the back of here and try and get this back together again. But I'm worried that if I try and prise this off of the main frame in a way that I try and lift that, because I think that's just popped into a hole in the frame. If I break them, then I'm in trouble. I'm going to have to source some more. It's not easy doing this one-handed. The problem is much worse when you come around here, because you've only got to look at them and they fall out. So what am I going to do? I thought about it. I tried packing in the side. That didn't work. Like I said, I tried packing it in the back, but it's difficult to get it back together again. So the best thing I think I can do for these 1, 2, 3, this one's alright. There's no way that one will come out. Same with the ones over here. These are fixed well. Although they move, or they have to move because they've got flex. But these last 3 will come apart quite easily. What I'm going to do, rightly or wrongly, going to put a very small screw just in the end of there, making sure that the slat is pulled back into this one, so all the movement can be along the slat into the middle one. Still get plenty of travel, and hopefully that'll stop it from twisting. These are the screws we're using. Number 8 by 3/4 flange head. Nice flat head, so it's not going to cause any rubbing or scuffing of the mattress or the sheets or the topper or whatever it comes into contact with. Yeah, so like I said, drill a small pilot hole in there. I'll put that right down the middle of there. It's only 3/4 of an inch long. All it's got to do is retain that in the plastic thing. It's not going to take any load or weight as such, and the strut will still have plenty of movement in it, in and out of the middle plastic retainer. Right, where's my drill? I'm going to get shot, aren't I? I'm going to have to get the hoover out when I get finished before she comes back in here. Oh yes, beautiful, as we say here in Norfolk. Just beautiful. That's solid. That ain't going to come out of there, and it can still move about. There's no rough edges. Beautiful job. Right, carry on and do the rest now. There we go. 1, 2, 3. The last 3. Like I said, I'm not doing these ones. They don't twist enough. There's not enough movement in them. They aren't going anywhere. Just got the other 3 to do on the other side. And there we are, 2 extra shells. The one in the middle was supplied already, so I fitted one either side. And that's it, we're done. The only thing I've got left to do is get the hoover out and make the bed before the boss turns up. Maybe she'll never notice. Okay, well thanks for watching. Until the next time, take care. Bye for now.